Hello everyone. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're focusing on security, one of the most crucial aspects of managing digital assets. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to surge, so does the importance of keeping your investments safe. While crypto wallets may appear similar, their user experiences and associated fees vary significantly. Therefore, exploring the options extensively is vital to find the one that best suits your needs. Numerous brands provide a range of features, varying security levels, and different storage mediums. Selecting the ideal crypto wallet isn't about finding the one with the most features. It's about choosing the one that suits your specific needs. For instance, do you require a wallet primarily for securely storing your crypto, or do you need one that allows for frequent and accessible transactions? Before continuing, we state that nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. We are not advocating for the buying or selling of cryptocurrencies. Make financial decisions based on comprehensive research and a clear understanding of the risks involved. Our goal is to offer insights, not recommendations. To assist you in finding the right wallet, we have researched the top choices and identified the best crypto wallets on the market. Before we dive into the specifics, it's essential to understand what a crypto wallet is. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other tokens operate on their respective blockchain network. Accessing them requires the use of a program called Wallet. Like an internet banking account, the wallet safeguards the private key to use the assets and helps manage transactions. This wallet has two keys, a private key and a public key. The private key is vital to the security of the assets because anyone who gets the private key can take ownership of the assets. Significantly, if you lose your private key, your assets are gone. So protecting private keys against accidental loss and backing them up is imperative. On the other hand, the public key is like your conventional bank account number. But in this case, it is the address where others can send you cryptocurrencies. Certain schools of thought suggest buyers split their asset storage between two primary digital wallets forms, hot spending and cold savings wallets. For hot wallets, private keys are stored online or on devices connected to the internet, such as on exchanges or other websites, computers, tablets, or smartphones. Hot wallets should, however, contain a small percentage of your overall asset investment. Money, assets, stored here, might be spent or transferred on any given day. In cold wallets, private keys are stored securely on paper or offline hardware, like a password-protected USB, or simply in one's brain. Unlike a hot spending wallet, most of your cryptocurrency should live inside a cold savings wallet, stored entirely offline, often in a fireproof and lockable safe in your home or secure place. The cold savings wallet can be used to refill the hot spending wallet. Both hot and cold wallets are classified into hardware, mobile, and paper wallets, each offering varying levels of security. Let's take a closer look at each type. Hardware wallets. First up, we have hardware wallets. These are physical devices designed to store your private keys offline, making them one of the most secure options. Here are some of the best hardware wallets available. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is a highly secure hardware wallet with Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to manage your crypto on the go. It supports over 1,500 cryptocurrencies and has a robust security architecture. The Ledger Nano X is famous for its ease of use and security features, providing you with the confidence to manage your digital assets effectively. It has a secure element chip to protect your keys from hackers. Trezor Model T. The Trezor Model T offers top-notch security with a touchscreen for easy navigation. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and is known for its transparency, as Trezor's code is open source. This transparency ensures that you are fully informed about the security measures in place, giving you peace of mind when securing your digital assets. With the Trezor Model T, you can confidently secure your digital assets. It also integrates with several third-party apps for added convenience. Elipol Titan. The Elipol Titan Crypto Wallet is a hardware wallet known for its robust security features, including an air-gapped design that ensures it is never connected to the internet, thus protecting it from attacks. It supports cryptocurrencies and offers a user-friendly interface with a large touchscreen for easy navigation. Tangem Card Wallet. The Tangem Wallet offers a unique approach to cryptocurrency storage with its hardware wallet, designed for security and user-friendliness. Shaped like a credit card, the Tangem Wallet utilizes near-field communication, NFC technology, allowing users to manage their digital assets by simply tapping the card on an NFC-enabled smartphone. Tangem wallets are available in sets of 2 or 3 cards. This setup allows users to create backups, ensuring access to funds even if one card is lost. The wallet does not rely on traditional seed phrases, reducing the risk associated with their exposure. However, you can choose the seed phrase option during setup. The choice is yours. The Tangem wallet is designed for ease of use, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users. Its user-friendly interface and straightforward setup process ensure that you can comfortably manage your digital assets regardless of your level of experience. This design makes the Tangem wallet a great choice for those who are new to cryptocurrency and those who are more experienced. Software/mobile wallets. Next, let's talk about software mobile wallets. These are applications you can install on your computer or smartphone. While they offer great convenience, they are generally less secure than hardware wallets. However, some software wallets may have very strong security features. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is a user-friendly mobile and browser-based cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to store, manage, and trade various cryptocurrencies. It offers robust security features, including private key storage on your device, and integrates seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange for easy transfers. MetaMask Wallet. MetaMask Wallet is a widely used browser extension and mobile app for managing Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It allows users to securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, interact with decentralized applications, dApps, and manage their private keys. With its user-friendly interface, MetaMask facilitates seamless access to the decentralized web and various DeFi platforms. Exodus. Exodus is a user-friendly software wallet with a beautiful interface. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies and has built-in exchange features. It also offers secure storage through encrypted private keys. Exodus is great for beginners due to its intuitive design and ease of use. Plus, it has a strong focus on security. Crypto.com Wallet. Crypto.com Wallet is a versatile digital wallet that offers secure storage for various cryptocurrencies. It allows users to easily buy, sell, and manage their crypto assets through the Crypto.com app. The wallet supports multiple currencies and provides features like earning interest on crypto holdings, staking, and accessing various DeFi services. With robust security measures and an intuitive interface, Crypto.com Wallet suits experienced crypto users. Gemini Wallet. Gemini Wallet is the digital wallet provided by Gemini, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. The wallet is user-friendly, offering secure storage for a range of cryptocurrencies supported by Gemini. It integrates with the Gemini exchange platform, allowing users to easily trade their assets while maintaining control of their private keys. Gemini Wallet emphasizes security with features like two-factor authentication and cold storage for most funds, ensuring that users' assets are protected against unauthorized access. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It provides a secure way to store your private keys locally on your device and includes features like fingerprint authentication. Trust Wallet is great for those who need a versatile and secure mobile wallet. Its integration with decentralized applications dApps is a plus for advanced users. This list is incomplete as many mobile wallets are in use today. You can search online for the ones regulated in the country where you reside. Paper wallets. Lastly, we have paper wallets. These are physical pieces of paper that contain your public and private keys. While they offer excellent security from online threats, they can be easily lost or damaged. To create a paper wallet, you can use bitaddress.org or walletgenerator.net. These services allow you to generate and print your keys securely offline. Remember to store your paper wallet in a safe place, like a fireproof safe. Making multiple copies and storing them safely and securely in different locations is also a good idea. Now that we've covered the different types of wallets, how do you choose a wallet for your investment? Choosing the right wallet is crucial if it is your first time interacting with crypto. Whether you aim to manage a diverse portfolio of coins and tokens in one place or seek a streamlined wallet for major cryptocurrencies with extensive features, your choice should align closely with your specific needs and preferences. In choosing a crypto wallet, you should consider the following critical factors. 1. Look for wallets with robust security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and hardware wallet integration to protect your digital assets from unauthorized access and hacks. You should inquire about the wallet's track record regarding security breaches and read user reviews online. Monitoring the reputation of a crypto wallet is crucial to ensure the safety of your digital assets. 2. Ensure the wallet supports the specific cryptocurrencies you intend to store or trade. Some wallets may only support popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, while others offer a more comprehensive range of altcoins. 3. Consider the ease of use of the wallet's interface. A user-friendly design with intuitive navigation can make managing cryptocurrencies more straightforward and convenient. Check if the wallet is compatible with your preferred devices, whether a desktop, mobile, or hardware wallet. Compatibility ensures you can access your funds conveniently across different platforms. 5. Evaluate the wallet's fee structure for transactions and withdrawals. Some wallets may charge higher fees for certain services, so compare costs to find a wallet that aligns with your budget. 6. Reliable customer support is essential if you encounter issues with your wallet or transactions. Look for wallets that offer responsive customer service through multiple channels. Considering these factors, you can find a crypto wallet that meets your security requirements, supports your preferred cryptocurrencies, and offers a user-friendly experience tailored to your needs. Now, let's discuss some best practices for keeping your crypto secure. First, always use strong, unique passwords for your wallets and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. It adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. 2FA can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy are great for this purpose. Ensure that your wallet software and device firmware are always current. Updates often include critical security patches. Keeping your software updated is crucial for protecting against the latest security vulnerabilities. Mundram, regularly back up your wallet and store the backup safely and securely. Ensures you cover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Backing up your wallet is essential. Consider using multiple backup methods such as cloud storage and physical media. Be cautious of phishing attacks. Never click on suspicious links or provide your private keys to anyone. Always verify the source before entering sensitive information. Phishing attacks are expected. Always double-check URLs and emails to ensure they are legitimate. As we've seen, choosing the right crypto wallet and following best security practices are vital for protecting your digital assets. Whether you prefer the robust security of hardware wallets, the convenience of software wallets, or the portability of mobile wallets, there are options to suit every need. Remember, the security of your cryptocurrency is ultimately in your hands. Stay informed, stay cautious, and stay secure. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please leave a comment below. Until next time, happy investing!